My name is James Nicholson. I hope you guys are well. The microphone is back in the box. It didn't seem to work yesterday. According to the comments, I agree. It was really not great sound quality. So we'll look for another one. If anyone knows of a good mic, comment below, let me know. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about a comparison site that is saying that they believe that house prices are going to drop by £50,000. Who is it? And why do they think this? We've got that and more in this video. So while you're here, if you haven't done before, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. I've got new content every single day. Also, I want you to help me to get this video out to more people by smashing that like button. Go on, smash it, tickle it, do something to the like button. Take you 2 seconds and it will really help me out. So, Confused.com is saying that they feel house prices are going to drop by £50,000 by the end of 2024. Now that would be a pretty big drop. That's from today's prices as well. So the market is already down around 5%. Another 20% on top of that would make it 25%, which would make this one of the biggest property crashes ever. As big as the 90s and in different regions, as big as the 2008 crash, and a little bit more on top of that. Now, their reasoning for that is with all the stuff that's been going on, the fact that inflation is still here. There was some good news I saw today that grocery inflation is slightly improving. If you buy butter, butter's got cheaper, that's good. You can't beat a bit of butter, right? So some things are coming down in cost, which is good. And food inflation seems like it's going to head in the right direction this month, which will be good. But they're saying that inflation is still sticking around. Other countries, the inflation has dropped significantly faster than we have had. And that means that there's the impending potential that we could have further interest rate rises. And these are hitting people hard. Now, the problem with the interest rate rises is that it takes so long for people to feel the pain. And I was speaking to some mortgage brokers at the landlord show in London Excel the other day, and they were saying that they just feel that the Bank of England's over tightened already, because some people's mortgages are tripling, particularly buy-to-let landlords, and you've got tons of buy-to-let landlords leaving the market. Over 30% of them have done already. Rents are rising, which helps a little bit, but there's still so many difficult situations for landlords. You've got the Section 24, you've got interest rate rises, and all of this stuff is potentially going to mean landlords will leave. Now, Confused.com are saying landlords leaving, they will sell properties maybe in a flash sale. They just want to get rid of their properties, so that could drive prices down. Affordability is obviously tougher, way tougher than it was a year ago. It's improving because wages are getting better, and the actual money you can borrow is actually slightly cheaper than it was a few months ago. But they just feel longer term house prices are going to have that big drop. Now, where does that sit on the average house price? Now, they feel the average house price is roughly 250k at the moment. All these sources have different average house prices. Some of the others, Nationwide and Halifax, are 270. But these guys are saying that the average house price is going to drop so much by the end of 24 that it's going to sit at 195 grand. That's a huge drop. Now, that would be a massive problem if that happens, because there's a few problems that are different compared to 2008. One, interest rates are super high now, so payments are really expensive, and you're going to have a lot of people in negative equity. Now, that would put them in negative equity all around the UK. Last time there was a lot up north, and those people got stuck in that for a period of time. You had a few down south, but that corrected quite quickly. But that would be an absolute nightmare for people. So what would you do if you're a property investor in that scenario? Well, a strategy that could be worth looking at if this does come to fruition is something called lease options. And that's where you take the property on, you agree a price, you wait for the market to come back up, and then you complete on the property at the price they need it sold at. Lease options are a great strategy in this type of market. So we've got some content on the channel around lease options. You may want to go and have a look and see how that works. So shorter video today. There's not much more to say than that. Confused.com. Are they confused? Let me know what you think. Do you think house prices in the UK could drop by £50,000 still? Let me know in the comments below. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. And why don't you go and check out this video right here.